Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ASP.NET Core Identity for modern login UI step by step clearly. Start by creating a new ASP.NET Core project. Use the template for a web application with individual user accounts. Open your project in Visual Studio or your preferred IDE. Locate the startup.cs file in your project. In the Configure Services method, add services for identity by calling services.addIdentity. Configure identity options, such as password requirements and lockout settings. Next, set up the application's cookie authentication by calling services.configureApplicationCookie. Move to the Configure method in the startup.cs file. Ensure that you call AppUseAuthentication before AppUseAuthorizaton. Now, create a new controller for handling authentication. Name the controller Account Controller. In the Account Controller, create a login action that displays the login view. Set up a model for the login view to handle username and password input. Add a method for processing login requests using User Manager and Sign-in Manager. Use the Sign-in Manager to validate user credentials. Handle successful logins by creating a cookie for the user. Redirect the user to the main application after a successful login. Implement error handling for invalid login attempts. Next, create the corresponding login view in the views/account directory. Use Razor syntax to create a form that posts to the login action. Include input fields for the username and password. Add validation messages for user feedback. Now, implement a logout feature in the account controller. Create an action method for logging out a user. Use the Sign-in Manager to sign out the user and redirect them to the home page. Finally, test the authentication flow by running the application. Ensure that valid users can log in and invalid attempts are properly handled. Check that users can log out and that their sessions end correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.